tell me something. How do you define modern? Does it mean new or unexpected? Is it something that catches your eye? Does it mean striking, bold, or innovative? What if we could help you be modern all the time? So you can face your biggest challenges, whether that's managing and retaining your people, optimizing and tracking your inventory, or creating the best experience possible for your customers. No matter how long we've been in this business, we never stay static. Zebra's always looking for ways to evolve. That's why we have a new vision for retail we call the Modern Store. Be new, be innovative, be bold. Let's build your modern store together. Are you ready?